Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Manha English Channel. I'm Manha. We are so happy that you are here today.
And I'm Umer. If you want to improve your English speaking skills, practice daily conversations, and speak English with confidence, then you are in the right place.
Many students say, I can understand English, but I cannot speak it confidently. If you feel the same, do not worry. Today's episode is made just for you.
On this channel, we use simple and slow English so that beginners and learners at every level can understand easily. We also focus on real-life situations so you can use what you learn immediately in your daily life.
Today's episode is very special. Today, we will follow the daily routine of Emily. Emily is a young girl who wants to improve her English. She speaks slowly, clearly, and confidently.
Through her daily routine, we will practice simple English conversations. You will learn how to talk about your day, describe activities, and speak naturally in English.
And as always, I am here with my friend, Umer.
In this episode, we will practice speaking English with confidence. Many students hesitate to speak because they are afraid of making mistakes. But the truth is, speaking often and practicing every day is the key.
Today, we will follow Emily's daily routine, step by step, from morning to night. You will hear slow and clear English, and you can repeat sentences after us to practice speaking.
So sit comfortably, relax, and let's start learning together.
Umer, let's start with Emily's morning.
Yes. Emily wakes up at 7 a.m. She stretches her arms and says, "Good morning. It's a beautiful day."
That's a good sentence. You can also say it, "Good morning. I am ready to start my day."
Then, Emily goes to the bathroom. She brushes her teeth and washes her face. She says, "I feel fresh and ready to learn English today."
Notice the sentences. They are simple and easy. You can use them every day.
Next, Emily drinks a glass of water and eats a healthy breakfast. She says, "Breakfast is important. I feel strong and active now."
And you can repeat, breakfast is important. I am ready to start my day.
After breakfast, Emily prepares her bag. She checks her notebook, pen, and English book. She says, "I am ready to study English and practice speaking."
She also chooses her clothes. She says, I want to wear something comfortable today.
This is a good way to talk about daily routine in English.
Yes, you can also say, I am getting ready for work, study. I want to learn something new today.
Emily leaves her home and goes to school or office. She says, "The weather is nice today. I hope I have a good day."
On the way, she meets neighbors or friends. She says, Good morning. How are you today?
This is a very simple daily conversation. You can practice this every day with your family or friends.
Emily arrives at her place of work or school. She meets her teacher or manager. She says, Good morning. I am excited to learn today.
She also talks to friends. She says, "Hello, everyone. How are you all?" And her friends answer, "Hello, Emily. We are good, thank you."
Notice how polite and friendly Emily is. That is confidence in speaking.
Emily starts her tasks. She studies English, reads books, or completes work assignments. She says, "I will focus on my tasks. I want to do my best today."
She asks questions if she does not understand. She says, Can you help me with this? Could you explain this again, please?
This is very important. Asking questions shows confidence and willingness to learn.
At lunch, Emily talks with friends. She says, What did you eat for breakfast? Do you want to eat together today?
She also practices English in conversation. I am learning new English words every day. Would you like to practice English with me?
Talking slowly and clearly helps you gain confidence in speaking.
After lunch, Emily continues her work or study. She says, I am feeling focused and motivated.
She takes small breaks and practices simple English sentences. Let's review new words today. I can speak English better every day.
Repeating sentences every day is very effective.
Emily finishes her tasks and goes home. She says, "Today was a good day. I learned many new things."
At home, she relaxes, drinks tea, and says, I am proud of my progress. I will speak more English tomorrow.
She also reviews her English book. Let me practice speaking these sentences one more time. After Emily finishes her breakfast, she sits with her English notebook. She wants to practice speaking before leaving home.
Yes, Manha. Emily says, Good morning, my name is Emily. I want to speak English clearly and confidently today. Then she practices another sentence. I will listen carefully and repeat the sentences slowly.
This is a very useful habit. Beginners often forget that speaking daily at home is the first step to confidence.
Exactly. She also practices greetings. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. How are you? She repeats these sentences several times, practicing her intonation and speed.
Emily leaves home to go to work or school. During her walk, she thinks in English. This is an excellent tip for learners.
Yes. Emily says to herself, The weather is nice. I am happy to go to work. I will meet my friends today and practice English with them. Thinking in English helps your brain adjust to speaking naturally.
You can try this too. For example, when walking, you can say, I see a tree. The tree is green. I hear birds. They are singing beautifully. This trains your English speaking brain.
When Emily arrives at work, she sees her colleagues. She greets them. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Her friend replies, Good morning, Emily. We are fine. How are you?
Then Emily answers politely, I am fine, thank you. I am excited to start my day. Notice how polite and confident her sentences are.
This is a simple and effective English conversation for daily use. You can also ask, What are you going to do today? I am going to complete my work and practice English.
Emily sits at her desk. She starts her tasks. She says, First, I will check my emails and write responses.
Sometimes she finds something she does not understand. She says, Can someone help me with this task? Her coworker replies, Sure, Emily, let me show you.
Notice how simple sentences like, Can someone help me? Or Let me show you are enough to communicate effectively.
Emily also practices English while working. For example, she writes down new words. Task, a work to do. Meeting, a discussion with people. Deadline, the time when the work must be finished.
She repeats each word aloud. Task, task, task. Meeting, meeting, meeting. Deadline, deadline, deadline. Repeating words aloud improves speaking confidence. At lunch, Emily sits with her friend Sarah. They talk in English. Emily: Hi, Sarah. What did you have for breakfast today? Sarah: I had bread and eggs. And you? Emily: I had oatmeal and a glass of juice. It was delicious.
This conversation may seem simple, but it is very powerful practice. Simple dialogues help beginners speak without fear. Emily continues, Do you want to practice English together after lunch? Sarah replies, Yes, that sounds good. We can practice speaking slowly and clearly.
After lunch, Emily returns to work. She focuses on her tasks. She says, I will finish my tasks carefully. I want to do my best.
She also talks to herself in English about her work. Step 1. Check emails. Step 2. Reply politely. Step 3. Finish the report.
Now Emily is ready to start her work tasks. This is a very important part of her day.
Yes, Manha. Emily first looks at her to-do list. She says, Today, I have 3 tasks. Check emails, complete the report, and call a client.
Notice how she lists her tasks clearly. This is a simple English structure beginners can use. You can also say, my tasks today are, I need to finish.
Emily opens her emails. She reads the first one. Hello, Emily. Please reply to this customer inquiry. She responds politely, Hello. Thank you for your message. I will answer your question today.
Repeat after us slowly. Hello. Thank you for your message. I will answer your question today. This is professional and polite English.
Emily continues checking emails. She thinks, I will complete all my emails first, then start the report. This is a great habit. Prioritize tasks and speak your plan aloud.
After emails, Emily starts her report. She says, Task 2. Write the monthly report. I will focus and do my best.
If she needs help, she can ask her coworker, Can you show me how to make this report? Her coworker replies, Sure, Emily. Let me explain.
See how simple sentences like, Can you show me? Or Let me explain are enough for effective communication.
Emily also practices speaking while working. She says to herself, I am focused. I can finish this task on time. I am learning new English words every day.
Talking to yourself in English while working is an excellent confidence-building exercise. You can try this at home. Describe what you are doing. For example, I am reading a book. I am writing my homework. I am making tea.
Even when Emily works, she takes small breaks. During the break, she practices short sentences. I have completed 2 emails. My report is halfway done. I feel proud of my work.
Notice how she speaks slowly and clearly. This repetition helps learners improve fluency.
One of Emily's tasks is to call a client. She prepares, Hello, this is Emily. I'm calling about your order. Do you have a few minutes to talk?
The client replies, Yes, Emily, I have time. Thank you for calling.
Emily responds politely, Thank you for your time. I will help you with your order.
Repeat this after us slowly. Hello, this is Emily. I am calling about your order. Do you have a few minutes to talk? This is professional English for phone conversations.
Notice how she speaks confidently and reviews her work. You can also say, I finished my homework. I finished my project. I completed my daily tasks.
Emily feels proud and confident. She says, completing my tasks makes me feel happy. I learned new English words today. Now Emily has an afternoon meeting with her manager and team. Meetings are a great chance to practice English confidently.
Yes, Manha. Emily enters the meeting room and says, Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for having me in this meeting.
Her manager replies, Welcome, Emily. Today we will discuss the project progress.
Emily responds politely, Thank you. I am excited to learn and contribute. Notice how polite and positive sentences make a good impression.
During the meeting, Emily listens carefully. When she has something to say, she speaks slowly and clearly. I have completed my tasks on time. I can help with the next project if needed.
Her manager replies, Thank you, Emily. Your work is appreciated.
Repeat after us, slowly. I have completed my tasks on time. I can help with the next project. Speaking in this way boosts confidence in professional English.
Emily asks a question politely. Could you explain the next steps of the project again, please?
Her manager answers, Sure, Emily. The next step is to prepare the report for the client.
Emily replies, Thank you for explaining. I will complete it on time.
Listeners, notice that Emily always speaks slowly, clearly, and politely. Even if you are not confident, speaking slowly makes your English understandable.
Yes, beginners often speak too fast. Slow and clear English is always better. Repeat after us. I will speak slowly and clearly. I will ask questions politely. I will do my best every day.
After the meeting, Emily takes a short coffee break. She talks to her colleague. Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
I am good, Emily. How is your day going?
Very good. I am learning a lot of new English words today.
They practice English together. Can we speak English together for 10 minutes? Yes, that will be fun. Let's practice.
After coffee, Emily writes notes about what she learned today. She says, I learned new vocabulary: project, report, client, deadline. I will practice these words tomorrow.
Writing words and speaking them aloud helps learners remember and use English confidently. Repeat after us. I learned new words today. I will practice them tomorrow. My English is improving every day.
On the way home, Emily talks to herself. Today was a good day. I spoke English in the meeting, with my coworkers, and during breaks. I feel more confident now.
You can practice this too. Think in English about your day, even if you are walking or resting. For example, I cooked dinner. I washed the dishes. I spoke English today.
After arriving home, Emily relaxes with a cup of tea. She says, I am proud of my progress today. I will continue practicing English every day.
Thank you for spending your day with us. Subscribe to our channel, Dr. Manha English. If you enjoyed this episode, please support our channel. Like this video, share it with your friends.
And remember, keep practicing every day. Believe in yourself, and your English will improve step by step.
Thank you everyone for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep speaking, keep listening, and keep improving your English.
Goodbye, everyone.